Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. So finally, IBPS RRB clerk pre-result is out and we know that 6th of October is going to be the exam date. I think आप सबने result check कर लिया होगा. Do not miss to write in the comment box if you have cleared it. अब मैं directly बात करने जा रहा हूँ on the topics which we should cover for IBPS RRB clerk means. That what are going to be the very important topic. Very important session where we will be able to understand कि we do not have more than 8 to 9 days time, right? If I'll count from today, it is just 9 days away you have your examination. So what are the things you should revise? I know that you guys were preparing the current affairs properly till now. If you were not, then there is a very limited time and you cannot waste it. So directly you need to get the analysis from the last year examination. Last year your RRB clerk means examination was on 16th of September 2023 और उसमें जो करंट अफेयर्स आपके पास आया that was mainly from these 4 months. Maximum current affairs question were from the month of May, June, July and August. August से काफी question थे and examination was on 16th of September. First week of September there was approximately one question. मतलब आपने September नहीं cover किया था, that was okay last year. Not a problem. But this year, September is going to be an important thing. Why? Examination is on 6th of October. So we should cover the current affairs of 1st to 25th of September. वहां तक का आपका current affairs ready होना चाहिए. At least 20th. आपको cover करना होगा current affairs in the September month. Reason? 6th of October. Apart from that, June, July, August. These three are going to be the game changer. Most of the questions were from here, will be from here. Last year, accidentally, we have seen one or two questions from December month also. December 2022. Nobody can do anything on such questions. If the question level was easy, people were able to answer. Otherwise, that are made to be skipped. तो ऐसे एक दो क्वेश्चन के पीछे मत भागो. Don't run behind one or two questions that for a complete month current affairs you need to prepare. You need to spend lots of time which you don't have at present. Keep focus on the area from where majority of the question paper will be created this year. So it is going to be June, July, August, 1st to 25th of September. After that May. इनको revise करिए. When you want to revise the current affairs, do not spend more time on one news. Spending 5 minutes on one news at a time, it's better spend 2 minute time and revise it 2 times. I hope you are able to understand कि किसी एक न्यूज को 5 मिनट तक पढ़ते रहने से अच्छा है कि 5 मिनट में उसको आप 3 बार रिवाइज करो. एक बार कंप्लीट करो, मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन, कम बैक, रिवाइज इट अगेन. So try to revise more number of time instead of spending more time on one news. This is always the best strategy to implement. Important topics की बात करूं मैं, so budget 2024, न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस, स्टेट्स इन न्यूज, यहां से भी काफी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं स्टेट्स इन न्यूज से. सो स्टेट्स इन न्यूज, न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस ये कवर करना है. समिट्स हैं आपके पास, G20, एशियन, ब्रिक्स. आई विल बी एबल टू टेक द सेशन ऑन यूट्यूब इफ यू गाइस वांट बेस्ड ऑन समिट. मैंने बढ़िया क्वेश्चंस रेडी करके रखे हैं समिट्स के. सो इफ यू वांट आई विल बी एबल टू टेक द सेशन ऑन समिट टॉपिक. Navaratna, Maharatna related question you can definitely expect. They were in the news recently. There is a topic which is made, I feel like, for RRB clerk means only, like GI tag, Ramsar site, heritage cities. So these type of question you will be able to see in IBPS clerk and IBPS RRB clerk. ये वो टॉपिक है जो इन एग्जामिनेशंस में ज्यादा देखने के लिए मिलते हैं. गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, नो डाउट you cannot skip. RBI circular, RBI news, easy level of questions will be there in the examination, like deadline type of question they will ask you from the RBI circular, RBI news. Otherwise banking news, business news were important. Last year भी questions थे business news से, acquisition related, brand related, this brand belongs to which company. Such type of questions were there from the last year, in the last year also. Sports news and awards are also going to be the important topic. The list of topics which are important for your RRB clerk means examination to prefer. Important months I have already told you. All the best for your examination. Let me know in the comment box what is the support system you are looking from my side. What are the topics you want me to cover on the Guidely YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel and let me know the topic in the comment box. All the best for your examination. Take care.